called me up late last night, 3:15. She's waiting under bright moonlight, she's waiting for me. I don't understand it, she already knows I'm on my way. She starts calling, I come crawling, I turn to her and say, you know what you're doing to me. Ooh, you know what you're doing to me. Ooh, you know what you're doing to me. Ooh, you know what you're doing to me. Everything's for free. When the world turns upside down, who shall blame it on me? I don't understand it, she already knows it's wrong. But she starts calling, I start falling, and in a dream I hear her say,